What's up, everybody? What the hell is wrong with me? What's up, everybody? It's Lauren, and today I'm doing an apartment tour. Yes, I am. I didn't even think of what I was gonna say for the intro. You know, you guys saw my dorm tour that I did when I lived in Alex Haley Residence Hall my freshman year, and now I'm gonna show you the upgrade. So before I start this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm back for good now, promise you. And new videos will be coming to you every week, every single week. As lazy as I am, videos will be coming to you every single week. So, you know, I gotta persevere and push through it. So just remember to hit that subscribe button. I need some subscribers. So yeah, we're just gonna start this tour. All right, so when you first walk in, the first thing you see is a kitchen, paper towels over here, dishes. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to film with that dish in the sink. We have our dish rack over here. Right here and here is where my roommates have their, what are these called? Pot holders? Yeah. And then, you know, this is, cookware. We all have our own separate stuff. I guess it's dependent on who you room with. Right here, you know, we have an oven and, you know, towels. Over here it comes with the microwave, toaster. I don't know if that coffee maker was already here or not. And in the cabinets and stuff, we have our stuff. I'm just gonna show, like, we'll each have our own cabinet. Like, I'm just gonna show my side. This side is me right here. You know, the top of our fridge. This is mine. I don't even know what I got it for, but I thought it looked nice in a kitchen. And Bob's Burgers Burger Book, because it's my book. And you know, we have our fridge right here. So right here, that's the kitchen. That's the kitchen. Oh, no, because you got to see this. This is cute little sign I have. It's cute. And we have our bar. So right here is our pantry. I'm not going to open it because I'm not going to hold you. It's a little sad. But right here is my apron, my oven mitts, and my pot holder, because I'm like real decorative with the pink stuff. And right here we have some stools that we still need to cut. But, you know, me and my roommates, we decorated the living room, and we got like really, really decorative. So we're gonna take you to the living room. So we got super, super decorative with the living room. And we actually have lights, which make the living room look 10 times better, but they look better at night. So I'm definitely gonna show you when it gets darker. Right here we have our couch pillows, look, throw blanket, real cute. We have a mirror right here. Hey. Air freshener. We have a chair with a throw blanket. Down here we just have some flowers in a pot. Oh, fake flowers, of course. Nobody's taking care of them joints. I think I want a fish tank in here, but we have this little sign I bought. It says Bloom, and this is like some artwork I bought. I think it's actually a picture frame, but I didn't know what to put in it, so I was just like, this looks cute because it goes with the colors and artwork. This is like a little battery powered light. It's a candle, but we only use the light because you're not supposed to have candles in here. And I kind of just like the light, really. And then we have a pink violin, which is mine, we use for decoration, and some books. So we have another mirror here with this cute rug I bought. We have a blanket. It's my roommate's, and it's on top of one of the stools. Because our room actually came with 4 stools. We put one here because we're decorative. And this is the candy jar I bought. That's the candy jar I bought, and the vase with flowers that I bought. And we put like a little fur thingy from the seat cover there. So this is our living room, and I'm definitely gonna show you guys how it looks at night. Yeah, I just want you to know. I just want you to know. I just want you to know. Yeah. So both sides of the apartment have 2 rooms, unless it's like, some of them have just like 2 on one side and then 1 on the other, but that's not here. So I'm gonna turn the light on. So, ooh, okay. So here is my roommate's room, and then my room is right here. This is my roommate's vacuum cleaner. And then I'm just gonna show you because each side shares a bathroom. So this is the bathroom. We have a nightlight. That's my roommate. It's really cute. This is in the dark. I just wanted to show it with the nightlight. Now I'm gonna show you guys my room. So this is my room. We're gonna start here behind the door. We have my calendar, and we also have my marching band prayer. I definitely didn't even put anything on my calendar yet. I need to do that. Like, this joint still says October. I need to buy some dry erase markers. Down here is this bin I don't know what to do with, but I didn't have space to put it anywhere else. My Tom Clancy's The Division 2 poster. And then right here I have my fridge. Ooh, I did not mean to have these Clorox wipes right here. Oh well. This is my fridge. I'm not gonna open it because, child, I just moved in. Grocery shopping hasn't really been apparent yet. Right here we have my food, my snacks and stuff. I have more in the actual main kitchen. We have my window. We have this cute ottoman I got from Five Below. Underneath my desk here is a trash can. This is my wig head. I need to get a new one because she looking sad right now. Alright, so right here is my desk. My doll head is right here. Underneath my desk is a trash can. Right here on this corner, like junk. Like I have my jewelry and my glasses stuff, my sunglasses and stuff. Hair care products, lotion, the rest of my makeup. This is more hair stuff like my do-rags and my bonnet, scarves. This is my LED mirror. I would turn it on, but it's unplugged right now. A chair. I just do like this pink blanket I have over it. It's an eyeshadow palette that's been used. My makeup brushes, my makeup. This is like a case full of like eyeshadow palettes and more makeup stuff. Makeup wipes. That's where I keep my brushes when I travel. On my shelf, I put this cute little fur thing. People are asking me where I bought it. I actually was Cruella de Vil for Halloween like 2 years ago. This is basically some fur that was my wrap for the costume. That's it. Okay, so yeah, I just put it here. I was like, oh, this fits. But these are like some books. Some of these I haven't even read. It's cute for decoration, you know? That sounds really bad. A speaker I got from Five Below. These cat ears. Deodorant. Perfumes. This is my Blue Yeti microphone that I use for my voiceovers. It's a cute purse I use when I go out. This cute little shell with my name on it. I can't remember where I got it. I think Myrtle Beach. I don't know. This cute little life is like a piano, and you get what you get out of it depends on how you play it. Little sign thingy, and this little flower headband that sometimes put on my doll head, but I don't have a wig on there right now. This cute Black Girls Are Magic sign I got from my stepmom. This cute L I made from the arts and crafts store. My video games, my PS4 plus my headphones, my guitar, and right here is my pride flag. I kind of just wrapped it around there. Yeah, my guitar with the old OF sticker. I have one of my violins. And underneath my desk is like 2 bins. The one on the left is where I put all my technology and stuff and my camera stuff. Right here is my closet. It's not junky. It's just there's a lot of stuff in it. It's a cute little pink hat I have, my little fun hat. Yeah, so this is where I keep all my jackets, my hoodies, my dresses too. And then down here it's like suitcases, and then my hamper is actually in the corner. You can't see it. And then my shoes, my shoe rack. All my shoes are right here. Now on the back of the closet, hello. The room actually came with this door mirror, and I can't even open my closet all the way because my dresser's right there. But yeah, that's that. And then here's some like my fanny pack and 2 of my purses. Ooh, get in the closet. That's what I came out of. Right here is my TV, PS4. with my 2 controllers. Right here is my Dragon Ball Z poster, Super. Right here is my dresser. Underneath my bed is actually, this is a drawer where I keep my supplies, like school supplies. And then this other drawer is like for like extra snacks. I usually give these to guests. I can't even, it's like waters and chips and stuff. I usually give these to my guests. I'm saying usually, like I didn't just move in like 2 days ago. Anyway, right here we have my bed, you know, my pillows, my laptop. I have my cute little wall tapestry I got from Amazon. So this is basically just an overview of the room. I'm actually gonna show you guys the overview of it. Oh, and my rug. Oh, what's that on the floor? Oh well. I'm gonna show you guys an overview of the room with the lights off. It looks so good because I have my LED light strip set up, and then this neon love light. It's so cute.
A piece of my heart that's been missing. I slipped up, I don't know how. I put my pride aside, but I've been cold now. My love, I can't put it in pocket. Feel like I'm driving on never-ending roads now. And girl, I know you probably hate me.
Includes the apartment tour. I really enjoy making videos for you guys. Remember, new videos coming every week. If you guys need anything, have any questions, or just want to talk to me because I be bored and lonely, you can contact me on my social media. I always answer. I'm getting new subscribers every day and I'm so excited. So, you know, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to keep up with me. You know, pretending to live my best life. So, you know, thank you. Love you guys. Bye.
You left me when you was all I had. Like really, you went from riches to rags. I prayed about you, maybe it wasn't destined. If God ain't planned it, I guess I can't be mad. But you still told mad lies. Did me dirty, but I'm still a bad guy.